friends, we have made it. We are in our room. We're going to be staying here for the next few weeks. It is Homewood Suites by Hilton. So there's a little kitchenette, which is awesome. We can cook our own food, microwave. This is a quick empty tour. Blake is bringing stuff up. This is the lounge. You can do some work there. This is the lounge. I'm assuming this is a pull-out couch, but I'm not sure. And so this is what that looks like. And this is the bedroom. So let's put some lights on. So this is the bedroom. And here's like a little vanity space. The closet. And the bathroom. And we're gonna be here for a little while. Whew. Gotta get offloaded. Somebody's hungry. So yeah. So usually, oh bless you, Papa. Usually on a Wednesday is when I like to clean. So I'll find Gavin a nice little spot where I can put him while I'm cleaning up. So I just usually ask housekeeping to drop off the vacuum, clean sheets, clean towels. We get towels, I don't know, every other day sometimes, depending on how many we used. But sheets, I try to get them every Wednesday unless we need them earlier than that. So that's what I'm doing. This is Gavin right there. That's what it looks like right now. It's a little chaotic, but I'm gonna get it sorted out, right? I still need to take that box down to recycling. But yeah, so that's where we are. I vacuumed the bedroom. And see, here's the clean sheets, clean towels. And I need to change that, make the bed, clean up the corners. That's our laundry basket over there. Floor looks pretty clean. That's what we're up to today. And it's good because it's such a gloomy, rainy day. So we're gonna clean today. Yay! Is it cleaning day? Yeah, cleaning day. Hey, Gavin. What are you doing in the shoes? Alright friends, so as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. I'm just doing a bit of rearranging here, moving things out of the way as I continue to vacuum, mop, dust. Oh my gosh, did you see the dust by the TV? Goodness. So yeah, get rid of all of that and let's get to cleaning. lunch break. I'm having leftovers from Kebab Paradise. I want to say it's in Randolph, New Jersey. But so anyways, it's an Afghan restaurant. So I'm having some rice and some lamb stew. I'm sure there's another name for it. I can't even remember. But the rice came with grated carrots on the top and some raisins. And I've been eating this is leftovers from the other day. So we're just finishing it up. Well, I'm finishing it up. And somebody wants some pictures of my lamb. I'll give him a little taste. Yeah, so that's what's going on. The floor is drying, so the stuff is still all over the place, and I'm gonna get that sorted out. But while that's drying, we're going to have a lunch break. It is noon, hey. Yep, lunch break time while we watch YouTube. All right. If somebody's ready for a nap. Yeah, Mommy's gonna put you down. Night, night, sweet boy. There you go. Night, night, Papa. Night, night, sweet boy. So here, friends, in a little bit you'll see me talking. I was just saying that I put Gavin down. He isn't completely sleeping. I still hear him tossing and turning, but I'm just gonna let him relax and let him slowly fall off to sleep before I go in, unless he's screaming and crying. I'll give him a few more minutes, and if he's still doing. All right, friends, I am all done. Baby's still sleeping. I had me a nice shower, washed my hair. I did this, well, to me it's new. Oh, lighting. Wash day routine by a girl on Facebook. I think you pronounce it Chic Natural or Chic Natural. It's CHIC Natural. I will put a handle at the bottom, and I watched it and I was like, man, that looks like something I can handle, especially if I'm trying to wash my hair with the baby sleeping. And I'm going through this whole postpartum hair loss situation, so I'm looking for ways to handle my hair less, so I'm not constantly yanking at it or pulling it out. I just tied it up in a sheet because it was just dripping all over the place. So I tied it up in a sheet. I got dressed. It is so gloomy. It is so cloudy outside. So I'm just gonna finish up the cleaning situation. So let me show you guys real quick. So in the kitchen is clean. This is what it looks like when it's clean and there's nothing on the counter. I literally just threw the rest of the fruit and vegetables that we had. Well, just one sweet potato there. I've got some rainbow trout defrosting in the sink. I'm gonna do that. This is rubbish that's going out. Floor's cleaned. I mopped. I'm collecting dirty towels and sheets. When baby wakes up, I'm gonna change the sheets. I mean, I can do it now, but changing sheets is something I can do with him, and he enjoys it because I like throw the sheets all over his face, and I'll get started with the cooking. So this is the lounge. I vacuumed. I restocked our little caddy. So in there we have wipes and diapers, books, changing pads, bibs, and to make things easily accessible. And here's his diaper bag. I restocked that with clean clothes, bibs, diapers. I just put this up here for now. But yeah, so I've cleaned up so far. This is the lounge. In the bathroom, so this is the door that leads to the bathroom. And there's like a little vanity here. So this is where we wash our hands and such. I really wanted to burn a candle. That's the only candle I could find. Only candle. And that's my tote. Dirty clothes. This is the bathroom. Clean. I just need to do that, which is change the sheets. That's this drawer. I love these drawers because they're soft closing. I'm just gonna close this door because I wanna put on the TV with some music and get to cooking. Oh, I love it. It's so clean. Yay! I love a clean space. Then my head is clean and clear, and I think clearer I feel. Alright, so let's continue this day. And then, so here we go. It's all clean. I've made up the bed. And I've got my dear friend here. Hey, Papa. He's just working on brushing his gums. Huh. This Frida, is it Frida Mama? Toothbrush is so cool. Like, look right there real quick. It's for the gums. It goes right on the gums and it has this little... Okay then. Goodness. It has this little stopper, which is amazing because somebody just pushes everything down his throat. So that's good, and he doesn't choke on it. But I still watch him with it. He gets new sheets as well. We changed his sheets. His bed is all clean. And then this is my side of the bed. I've restocked on the diapers down there. And I've just got a few gadgets for me. Bottle of water, refill on the milk, warm wipes, moisturizer because somebody's be ashy. Somebody is busy ashy, so much ashy. So, and a bib on call. I've been filing his nails down at night. This boy's nails are sharp. Charging my iPad right there. And so at night when we're laying down, I give him a head massage, and I massage that. If I don't get a chance to do it after his bath, I just leave it, and then as he's dozing off and getting ready for the night, I massage some shea butter. Oh, is it delicious? I put some gum gel on there. It's like an apple flavor, but it's has clove in it, And I think that's been a bit helpful. Alright, then I'm gonna stop. You want some cuddles? Here you winner. Here you winner. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, look at that face. Get turned. We turned. Alright. So, I think that sums it up. That's our day. That's our Wednesday. It is Day in the Life Hotel Edition. Yeah, we're going to be out of here pretty soon. And then I did show you this when he was sleeping, but it was so dark. So this is his drawer. And so in here we have extra diapers. These are small. So we usually wear these during the day with one of those diaper waterproofs on it, just to get rid of them. There's not much left. And so we've got pants, rompers, sleepers, shoes, just a few things in here. Some books for the night. Yeah. And a bag of extra clothes just to grab and throw in the car. All right, so that is our day, friends. Hope you enjoyed spending some time with us. All right, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Why are you grunting at the people then? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And the toilet goes off periodically. Alright, friends, that's it. Till next time. See ya.